Before you start writing something, regardless of whether it's creative or academic, do some research on your subject so you have a better sense of how to begin. If you're already comfortable with the subject matter, you can also try free writing for 10 minutes. Try not to worry if your free writing is good writing. Instead, just focus on getting your creativity flowing. Then once you're ready to write, draft a quick outline for your piece. If you're writing an academic essay, write down your thesis, which is your central argument. Flesh out your academic outline by writing down the arguments and examples you'll use to support your argument, and what conclusion you're drawing from those examples. Alternatively, if you're writing something creative, write down your inciting incident, which is what starts the action. Follow that with a couple of ideas for your rising action, which should lead to your climax. The climax is the turning point of your story, which is when your main character will overcome the conflict. Then outline your resolution, which is how your story will end. Keep in mind that your resolution doesn't have to be happy, as long as it leaves the readers feeling satisfied with your plot. Once you've written your first draft, take a break from your work if you can, so you can come back to it with fresh eyes. Then read your writing once without a pen so you can see if you like the overall structure. If you don't, try rewriting. However, if you're happy with the way it's turned out, edit your piece for grammar, clarity, and sentence structure. Finally, ask someone you trust to read it and give you feedback.